Okay, we're testing the ability to be able to record in here. My little campfire, my cabin. Hi. Unfortunately, this won't record using the Sync-O-Matic. I don't want to see myself there. So what I'm trying to do is trying to get this recorded like here. Okay. I'm going to take it off there so we can hear sound. What's that? Okay, so I'll do this normally now. Make sure there's orientation. See me. Right, so we're still doing the test. Okay, but I don't want to do it there now. Okay, that's wrong. So I need to turn this down. Quit. Okay. So we just need that on disabled multi-monitor. Probably need to just sound up a bit. This one plus. That should do it. Don't make it too loud to me. Okay. Finish exit. Test. Okay, sorry about that. There we go. So this is the Heaven one. Now can we actually get the frames per second? They're going to be in this corner here above the watermark. So you can probably not see it very well there. No, I can't see it very well there. Zoom's no good. Over to the right of the boat. Should be in that area. It is there. Yeah. So I'll just read them out. They're currently about 100. Okay, it's dropping 32 frames per second. Fully 55 frames per second. Okay, we just need to have this right. Okay. So it's still around the 50 frames per second mark. Dragon is fantastic. Okay, we should be doing the benchmark. Sorry about that. Okay, so I'm gonna have to reset this. Stop.